To use Lycia VS Code extension, you will need to install VS Code, to install the components of Lycia, and to install the extension itself. This video will guide you through LVSCE installation on Windows using GUI. Step 1. Go to code.visualstudio.com/download to get your copy of VS Code, and install it in your system. Step 2. Go to our website querix.com and acquire Lycia components for LVSCE. To do that, select the Sign In or Sign Up options in the website's main menu. Once you've logged in, go to Products section and pick Lycia. Proceed to the Downloads subsection. Then, select Lycia Client for your system and start the installation. Install the following components. Runtime. For GL compiler. Application server. Web server. To learn about additional software for seamless work, please visit the documentation portal of our website, more precisely, the chapter called Installation, Update and Removal. Step 3. Run the VS Code. Find the Extensions view in the main sidebar. In the search bar of Extensions view, type Lycia and find the Lycia VS Code extension. Press the Install button.